Hello YouTubers, today we're making beef milanesas. I got two steaks, I got them in half, so I have four steaks total, and salted and peppered both sides of each steak. I prepare myself by having a baking pan and a cooling rack to put the steaks after I fry them. Don't forget that you will also need oil to fry the steaks. Canola oil will do. And you will need 2 eggs, you will need flour, and you will need breadcrumbs. You're going to flour the meat first, then put it in the eggs, and in the beaten eggs, and then pass the meat on the breadcrumbs and put it on a dish on the side, just to get all the steaks ready before putting them in the frying pan. By this time the oil should be pretty hot on medium heat. Then you're going to fry each steak for about a minute and a half, 2 minutes. They're very thin, so they cook really, really fast. And the reason why we put the steak through flour first, and then through the eggs, then uh, through the breadcrumbs, is because the meat will not absorb a lot of oil. Then you put it on the cooling rack, and that helps drain the excess oil, and you will have a very crunchy steak. And you can put on top, you can put some lime juice or lemon juice, and it tastes very good. Once all that oil drains, it will be very, very crunchy, and you can serve it with whatever you want: rice and beans, gallo pinto, rice, or anything else you like. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.